Hey everybody, so today is June 24th, 2023, and I figure I'd provide you guys another update on the situation with Q Computer Channel's revenue getting slashed from roughly $10 to $15 a day to less than $3 a day. The issue still persists. It's been like 10 days now. Q Computer Channel has continued to earn less than $3 a day. The last time the channel has earned less than $3 a day was 10 years ago, 2012, just to emphasize on how significant this is. So, YouTube's partner support did finally acknowledge that, their systems detected invalid traffic on the channel. And of course, they basically told me to do the three things that, to not do the three things that I hadn't been doing. Number one, clicking your own ads. Number two, subscribing to traffic boosting services to get bad traffic. And number three, suggesting to viewers and family and friends to click on ads or just let playlists run while not watching, stuff like that. So this channel has been up for, almost 13 years, if you think about it. And it's been in the YouTube Partner Program for about 12 years. And I have earned 5 figures off this channel in this lifetime, and I would not risk losing monetization or my channel's basically livelihood by trying to artificially boost ad revenue. No sir, absolutely wouldn't do that. And it's absurd that YouTube's support basically it's almost like they're blaming the creator for this. And the thing is, yeah, if I was actually trying to drive invalid traffic on my channel, yeah, I can understand getting blamed for this. But the thing is, all I do is I create content and I post it to YouTube. I don't do the 3 things they tell you not to do. Again, I just mentioned those. I don't do those 3 things. So the thing about Google AdSense's recommendation on how to quote-unquote prevent invalid traffic, those tips seem to apply to those who are a content host. Now, it seems like sometimes Google and YouTube want to consider YouTube creators as content hosts, but really we're not. We're just specifically content creators. We create content and we upload it to YouTube, and YouTube is therefore the content host. The thing about YouTube is, when I upload a video, aside from doing the 3 big things that they tell you not to do, it's really out of my control how traffic comes to my channel. What am I supposed to do? Just delete the video from the channel? Or what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to just delete my playlist from the channel? That way some viewer doesn't let a playlist run over and over again? Like I say, it's kind of out of my control. So the fact that they basically screw over the creator over something that's out of their control is just absurd and ridiculous. And I've come to learn that YouTube's support is notoriously bad. And YouTube, they really ought to consider that creators are the reason why YouTube exists. I mean, it is a revenue share when you're in a partner program, but really, to be honest, when YouTube limits ads on the videos, honestly, they'll just play their own freaking ads when you think about it. Used to be, I don't think this was the case, but I think it started like last year, that YouTube would roll ads, including video, in-video ads on videos that were not even monetized. So YouTube's partner support, they got back with me, and the guy who was on there basically, he said he went on my channel and pulled up some videos and sent me screenshots of videos with ads running. Yeah, sure, I get it. I understand that ads are running, those videos are monetized, but the thing is, from what I'm seeing on the internet, there are reports of channels that are being affected by this still having ads running on their channels, but they're not getting paid for it because, well, let's just face it, those ads are probably going 100% to YouTube instead of the the 55-45% revenue share that's typical for YouTube partners nowadays. So I responded back and said, and I emphasized again what I said before, is I don't subscribe to any of these traffic boosting services. I mean, let's face it, this month, one video in particular, a video I posted back in 2014, started to see an uptick in views And that video last month, for example, in May, it was number 3 on my top viewed list for the month. That video in particular is a 2014 video of me demonstrating how to disable or uninstall apps on an Android smartphone. That video was, like I said, number 3 in my list in May. However, in June, it's currently number 1, the top most watched video for the month. And the views, let's just say, when you look at all the breakdowns of traffic sources, it's pretty consistent. There's no big spikes. The only thing that fluctuated like crazy was ad revenue, especially on June 5th and June 6th. June 5th saw a record high of $31 earned for the channel, whereas the next day it dropped all the way down to like $5. And when you go down and look at the breakdown of videos, that video in particular was the one that was earning a ton of revenue. And by June 13th, when I got the message on my channel saying ads have been limited on one or more videos due to invalid traffic, that video basically went from earning like between $6 and $15 or more a day to zilch, hardly anything at all. And for over the past week, my second channel, CubeComp MTDX, has been earning more money than Cube Computer Channel, despite having, what, a quarter of the subscribers, or a fifth of the subscribers, considering that CubeComp MTDX has like 5.2k subscribers, and Cube Computer Channel is just a little shy of 25k subscribers. I mean, only a fraction of subscribers and a lower percentage of views. Also considering CubeComp MTDX is in a lower paying niche. I mean, thunderstorm videos, weather videos, I don't think they would pay. The ads for stuff like that I don't think would be as high of a paying RPM as videos dealing with technology. I mean, it's crazy to think that, you know, my second channel, that's the one that's been earning me more. And if this continues on with Cube Computer Channel, my monthly earnings, will be the lowest they have been in 10 years. We're talking about that freaking long ago, and it's absurd. And so yeah, guys, it's to a point where I may actually speak with the local news about it. I do have some contact with our local news. I may even speak with them and also cite the many other videos of creators in similar situations. They basically say, hey, there's something is wrong here. If it was literally just a case of, oh, there was some invalid activity or invalid clicks or invalid traffic, that's one thing. But when I look back at my traffic reports, I don't see invalid traffic, or I don't see any abnormalities in traffic. But the ad revenue is kind of over the place. I mean, it's like I explained in my most recent email back to YouTube. Now, granted, the fun thing about it is, it's like every time somebody from YouTube support replies back to me, it's a different person taking over it. It's like you're calling into a call center and you're getting transferred after every freaking conversation. They transfer you to somebody else over and over and over again. And every message has been basically like, this is so-and-so picking up from here. This is so-and-so picking up. And the thing is, in my my second most recent reply to YouTube support, I emphasize that basically my channel has earned me 5 figures in the time that it's been in the partner program. And obviously, I take it seriously. I'm not going to just try to generate invalid traffic to the channel to artificially boost my ad revenue. So maybe that got their attention. I don't know. Because in the most recent reply, that they want to emphasize that our support does not end here. We're going to continue looking into this. Please send us, or please let us know what your earnings are now, blah blah blah. And in my most recent email, of course, I sent them I sent them a ton of different screenshots of various metrics on the channel, and it's just like, why do I even have to send that? Because don't they have access to that as creator support or partner support? I mean, come on, it's ridiculous. It's like they don't understand. And in my most recent email replying back to them, I basically said that, hey, a lot of creators are having this problem, and they're in a similar situation as me, where they're not intentionally driving any invalid traffic to the channel, and number two, that's number one, but number two, they simply don't see any abnormalities in their analytics. And basically I said, a lot of these other creators who are having this problem, they're saying that when they contact YouTube's partner support, they're basically blaming it on invalid traffic, or just trying to dismiss it as invalid traffic, rather than either acknowledging or admitting that maybe there's something wrong with the system that protects advertisers. Because I seriously think, with the uptick in reports I'm seeing in the past 3 months, going back to March, that apparently something is wrong somewhere. So anyways, as mentioned, I'm probably going to be contacting my local news and just sharing a story with them, see if maybe they want to investigate, because it seems that with YouTube, the only way to fix problems is to make a big stink about it, because no big company likes bad PR. So anyways, that's kind of an update on what's going on so far. So anyways, I'll post a new update once I get information or any new updates occur. So anyways, thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Kuku channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of a new video post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.